Hey guys, Gaurav Bora here. I hope that you have already downloaded and went through this free report, how to make $100 per day collecting emails and promoting digital offers. And now the strategy is really simple. All you need to do is build your list, send people to various CPA offers and affiliate offers, and every time you make a CPA conversion, you make $2, $4, or $6 as a commission depending on the offer. So I promote offers from Max Bounty, sometimes I promote affiliate offers, but during these days I am promoting one of the offer which is called Yoonla CPA, and they pay $4 for each tier 1 country sign up like Australia, UK, Canada, and New Zealand. However, in order to be able to make those commissions, you need to upgrade to their elite membership. So this is a short video. I'm going to show how you need to upgrade to your elite membership. First of all, just go to their membership site, okay, yoonla.com, and once you are here, actually you'll find the member login. So since I'm already a member, I just need to log into my members area. And currently they have an offer where you can get their elite membership for free. And I'm not sure for how long this is going to be there. So do it today itself. Okay, they say its value is $297. Just click here. And you'll find 3 steps to activate your elite upgrade and priority setup, so you'll be able to make CPA commissions promoting Yoonla. So first thing is you need to go and sign up for a get response account for 1,000 leads, $15 investment. You know, these tools are very important for your online business success. You know, I have like 4 autoresponders in Auber, GetResponse, Market Hero. You know, I have a lot of lists in these different autoresponders, and I mail these subscribers every day to make affiliate commissions. Just go here, select this $15 per month package. You know, select the package, get your account, and once we have completed the step number 1, go to step number 2 and make sure that you use only these links to get these accounts, because like Yoonla, they also have to make money to cover up their commissions, and you know, if they are not going to be profitable as a company, they are not going to pay us. So make sure that you go and create your account through these links. Okay, in the step 2, you need to get a small business hosting account. Just click here. Click on choose a plan. Select these as low as 3.89 per month bill annually. Okay, for domain name, I just keep my name and like digitallifestyle.com. You can select anything. For example, if your name is John, you can just write John. Okay, let's try something different. Rish. Okay, this domain is available. Let's say buy it, but sometimes you can get some free domains as well. For example, you can get this domain for just $0.95. So let's say I just want to get this. And next thing is, if you go for 1 month, you need to pay like $12 per month. But like if you want to get the price down, just select it for 1 year. Because you need to be committed to this system, because if you are not committed, then you're not going to make any money. And hosting is really important, and autoresponder account is really important to become an online success or promote any offers in the long term. So now the price is back to like $70, okay, for one year, which comes to roughly around, I think, 70 divided by 12 is 5.83. Next is, let's click on continue. And like once you are here, just use this coupon code as special, and you'll get further discount. Now the total price will be $57. So which comes to like $4.75 per month, which is really cheap for a hosting. Proceed to checkout. So once you have paid that, just go to step number 3. Write your name, write your name, write the email, write the name, use the email of your Yoonla account. Send them these details so they can set up everything for you. Your get response ID, API key, and if you have any problem, just go to the stars and they will have all the directions you need. For example, if you need to find the API key, go to get response under my account integrations, and under API and auth you will get your API key. So it's really simple. Just click here and you'll find all the instructions how to get these details. And once you come to referral ID, make sure that you enter the affiliate ID of the person that has referred to you. In this case, just add my affiliate ID, and you can find this inside the ebook. My affiliate ID is this one, and I'm also going to have this affiliate ID below this video for you to copy and paste easily. So once you have done that, just click on submit to request custom setup, and within 24 to 72 hours they will send you your custom setup, and that's all. And once you have got an email that it has been activated, all you need to do is go and log into your affiliate area. Use the same email ID, and this is your affiliate ID. In case you're referring someone, please ask them to fill this in the form so you don't lose your commissions. So I hope that it helped you, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any doubts, I will leave my support address inside below this video. You can write to me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.